Yo, I hear a lot of people saying that you have to spend at least 5 years, 6 years before you can make it as a trader. Trust me, guys, that is completely BS. That is complete bullshit. Someone who started trading in 6 months can make it as a successful trader if the person has number one, a substantial capital, a good knowledge, and a good psychology for trading. Substantial capital requires you also to have other source of income that will make you balance your psychology by you not depending on trading to become successful. Then you can wait for your trading edge to show in the markets before you can execute. But number one, if you don't have other things that you are doing to balance you getting money from trading and you not getting money from trading, then that means you are going to be psychologically imbalanced because you are going to put pressure on yourself thinking about making money from trading so that you can survive. That is one. Then number two, if you are not someone who is patient, naturally patient, now you can learn being patient in trading. But that aside, if you are someone who is not a patient person, then that means you are not going to make it as a trader. You are really going to stay longer in the game before you can make it. But someone who has substantial capital, who has other source of income to balance trading, and who is patient naturally, then who has good psychological balancing, can make it in 6 months. Yes, because the person having good capital can use bigger lot size, and because he or she has the reasonable source of knowledge, the reasonable source of knowledge getting from his mentor, getting from a mentor, from anyone around, then the person can scale up with large capital. So you don't really need to believe all those bullshits that they are saying you have to spend 6 years or 10 years, or the knowledge is everywhere. Trading industry has made it very easy. You see people who are selling credible courses, credible mentorships. You see reasonable people who are trading. Not everyone who is making noise outside as a successful trader is really successful. But you have to do your own due diligence and make your own research to know who and who is really doing the right thing so that you can get into their mentorship and stuff like that. But the real thing here is that you don't necessarily have to spend 6 years or 10 years or 7 years or 4 years before you can make it as a trader. It depends on what you can do. It depends on what you can do. What you can do, it depends on how good you can stay patient, implement what you are being taught, how how big your capital is, and stuff like that. So that is just it. So it doesn't matter how long someone else stayed in the industry before the person made it. It is that person's life. It depends on that person. You are different. Everybody is different. Everybody's psychology is different. Everybody's understanding is different. The way everybody is wired from birth is different. So don't put yourself in that situation whereby you are subconsciously telling yourself that, okay, I'm starting out trading, then I'm going to do a test run for 2 years, then I'm going to be serious in the next 2 years so that after 4 years, by the fifth year, I can now become profitable. Don't bring that mindset into trading. Free yourself, do your due diligence, do the necessary things you are supposed to do, get a substantial capital, balance it with something else that you are doing that will be giving you money, and trust me, before 1 year you will make it as a trader if you are patient enough. So that is just it. So if you find value from this video, kindly like, share, and follow me for more trading tips and personal development tips. Thank you.